Hey guys, it's Jake Warner here from Penrith Solar. It's no secret that we are so fortunate to work with so many great clients throughout Western Sydney and of course many fantastic businesses as well. But it's not every day that you get to work with an organisation like Guide Dogs Australia. Today we're lucky enough to be commencing the start of 100 kilowatts and a series of Tesla Powerwall 2s across their facility here in Glossodia, New South Wales. Come check out the solar and more importantly, the puppies. All the hard work has been done and we can really sit back and appreciate the quality and the attention to detail that the boys have put into this install. Commissioning day takes quite some time, around 4 hours or so before this system is up and roaring and taking full advantage of this beautiful summer sun. Next up, we build the apps and we'll hand them over to Guide Dogs so they can completely monitor the consumption and of course the production. It's so great for me to be able to stand out here at Guide Dogs and see the finished project. So to go from concept, doing the design, all the way through to project. So with that being said, I'd like to introduce Darcy. Darcy is the team leader out here at Guide Dogs. Darcy, tell us mate, how did it go?
For this job, there was a couple of challenges we faced, but I feel like with the crew that I had, we were able to overcome them in the time frame that we have. I have to give a big shout out to my crew, Joel, George and Kanan. They did a great job.
Yeah, the boys certainly have done a great job. So I've had a great look at the arrays, you know, they're perfect, they're straight. What's the trick to getting, you know, particularly this, you've got some roofs which have about 30 kilowatts on each roof. What's the trick to getting it that straight?
Well, it comes into a lot of the preparation and the planning, especially setting those ends for the bottom rail to sit on is key. Even saying that, we did have a few spots where we had to double check just before we got started and adjust as we went.
Yeah. So Darcy, there's a couple of Tesla Powerwalls which I can see lurking in the background over there. What exactly have we done with those? How have we set them up? You know, are they backing anything up?
Okay, so 2 of the batteries have been used just to power the general site, especially the vet and the surgery. But one is on backup. They got a couple fridges that they use to keep the vaccines for the dogs in, and so we needed to make sure that they were backed up in the event of a blackout.
Yeah. That's unreal, man. Well, hey, got to hand it to you. This is a very, very cleanly installed job. So thank you, Darcy. And that's how we do it here at PSC. Hey?
Yep, that's how it's done.
Awesome, bro.